Namaskar, welcome to weekly weather discussion dated 24th April. So if you see the salient observed features of the week ending 23rd April 2025. So heat wave status, if we see, heat wave conditions continued to prevail over Rajasthan till 19th April and abated thereafter due to impact of an active western disturbance which caused wet spell and thunderstorm activities accompanied with windy conditions over the region during 18th to 21st April. In addition, a fresh spell of heat wave developed over eastern part of India from 22nd April and heat wave was realized over Gangetic West Bengal, Bihar and Odisha on 22nd and 23rd April. Heat wave conditions were also observed in isolated pockets of central India during 21st and 22nd April, like East Madhya Pradesh on 21st and 22nd April, as well as Vidarbha and Saurashtra Kutch on 22nd April. If we see the weekly average maximum temperature, it was above normal by 2 to 5 degrees Celsius over parts of north, west and northeast India and below normal by 2 to 5 degrees over parts of East India and nearly normal over remaining parts of the country during first half of the week. It was also above normal by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius over parts of West, Central and East India and nearly normal over remaining parts of the country during second half of the week. If we see the weekly average minimum temperature, it was above normal by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over parts of north, northwest and central India in the first half of the week, and it was above normal by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius over east and northeast India, parts of Konkan and Goa and Maharashtra, and nearly normal over remaining parts of the country during the second half of the week. If we see the observed heavy rainfall during last week ending 23rd April, so heavy to very heavy rainfall was realized at isolated places over Tamil Nadu on 17th April, sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim region on 17th and 21st April, Assam and Meghalaya on 23rd April. Heavy rainfall was realized at isolated places over Odisha on 18th April, NMMT over 18th, 21st and 22nd April, North Interior Karnataka on 19th April, Tamil Nadu on 19th and 23rd April, Kerala and Mahe on 19th April, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh region on 20th April, Rayalaseema on 21st April, sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim area as well as Assam and Meghalaya on 22nd April and Arunachal Pradesh on 23rd April. So if you see that observed thunderstorm activity during this week, so thunderstorm activity accompanied with squally or gusty winds recorded at isolated places over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh and Uttarakhand region on 17th and 19th to 23rd April, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab on 17th and 19th to 22nd April, Haryana on 17th April as well as between 19th and 21st April. So these are associated with that active western disturbance which influenced that western Himalayan region. Apart from that, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, Rajasthan, Jharkhand as well as northeast India and south peninsular India received that thunderstorm activity during most of the days during the week. If we see the hailstorm activities observed over the region, due to that active western disturbance, Jammu Kashmir region received hailstorm on 17th April as well as between 19th and 22nd April. Similarly, Himachal Pradesh received hailstorm activity on 17th, 19th, 21st and 22nd April. East Madhya Pradesh on 17th April, Gangetic West Bengal and East Uttar Pradesh on 18th April, Odisha on 18th to 20 April, Punjab on 19th and 22nd April, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Vidarbha on 19th April, Tamil Nadu on 20th April, Telangana on 20th, 21st and 22nd April, West Uttar Pradesh on 22nd April and Madhya Maharashtra on 23rd April. If we see what is the pre-monsoon rainfall for this last week as well as what is the seasonal rainfall starting from 1st March. So this is the Met subdivision wise rainfall for the week in left side map and right side it is seasonal accumulated starting from 1st March. So if we see that all India rainfall is 25% above normal during the last week, but if we see the seasonal accumulated it is below normal by 15%. So if you see that all India rainfall as well as 4 homogeneous region during last week, it was above normal by 25% for the country, mainly due to the high rainfall over northwest India, which is more than 115% of the normal. Other homogeneous region, either it is normal or slightly less than normal. But if you see the seasonal cumulative, that is still all India is minus 15% below normal, except South Peninsula, which received plus 65% seasonal accumulated rainfall. All other three regions like Central India has only 6% above normal, and Northwest India and East and Northeast India has below normal of less than minus 30% of average. If we see that forecast for next 2 weeks, week 1 and week 2. So for week 1, which is starting from 24th to 30 April, so associated with that cyclonic circulation over that West Rajasthan region and over that Northeast India, and a trough, so fairly widespread to widespread rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm, lightning and strong winds reaching a speed of 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour, likely over Northeast India during next 7 days. Similarly, isolated to a scattered light to moderate rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm, lightning and strong winds are likely over South Peninsular India like Karnataka, coastal Andhra, Rayalaseema, Kerala, Mahe, Tamil Nadu during next 7 days. Similarly, isolated light to moderate rainfall with thunderstorm activity and gusty winds of a speed 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour is likely over East Uttar Pradesh as well as East Indian region during 26 to 29th April. Under the influence of upcoming western disturbance, western Himalayan region is also supposed to get isolated to scattered light rainfall activity accompanied with thunderstorm and lightning between 24th to 26th April. If we see the heat wave conditions for week 1, heat wave conditions is very likely in isolated pockets over West Madhya Pradesh during 24th to 30 April, Rajasthan during 25th to 30 April, East Madhya Pradesh between 24th to 27th April, Uttar Pradesh, Vidarbha, Bihar, Orissa, Jharkhand, West Bengal during 24th to 26th April, Punjab, Haryana during 25th to 29th April. So most parts of that Central India, East India are supposed to get heat wave conditions most of the days in coming week. Similarly, warm night conditions are also supposed to prevail over Gangetic West Bengal and Orissa, Bihar, Telangana in few days. If we see the week 2 forecast, so normal to have normal rainfall along with thunderstorm and lightning are likely over many parts of plains of northwest India, central, east and northeast and south peninsular India, and below normal over western Himalayan region during the week. There is a low probability of heat wave conditions, or it will be heat wave conditions will prevail over isolated pockets of Gujarat state and Rajasthan and adjoining West Madhya Pradesh region during some days of the week, but our confidence is low. If we see the cyclogenesis for week 1 and week 2 forecast, there is no probability of cyclogenesis over North Indian Ocean region during next 2 weeks. However, an upper air cyclonic circulation is likely to form during week 1 over Comorin area and adjoining South Tamil Nadu region. So that's it for this week. Thank you.